at beginners level we will be referring to NCERT. NCERT becomes important. Why? Because UPSC these days verbatim सवाल पूछ लेते हैं कई बार prelims में from NCERTs. Yes, so NCERTs become important that way. Fine. Otherwise also they are relevant. ठीक है, तो जो बेसिक लेवल पे NCERT है वो डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिक्स क्लास 9 एंड डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिक्स क्लास 10, और जो थोड़ा उससे एडवांस्ड है दैट इज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एट वर्क क्लास 11th NCERT. Fine. So these 3 NCERTs can be referred to. Fine. Then apart from NCERTs, and NCERT is not our main source. ठीक है, वो तो हमारे beginning के लिए हमें to get us in moving. Then what are some standard books that we referred to? The first and foremost, the most standard book happens to be D.D. Basu, Our Constitution by D.D. Basu. But at times students might feel it little difficult to understand, है ना, तो हम D.D. Basu की जगह, है ना, the simpler books are Our Constitution by Subhash Kashyap, and in a lucid manner he has written this book. We can refer to that, or else we can refer to Lakshmikant. Yes, but here we have to be careful. Lakshmikant alone will not take us through mains. It is a book which is relevant as far as prelims is concerned, but as far as mains is concerned, it is not very relevant. And having said that, but books yahi hai, and this is what you get to refer. And then you will also be referring to the bare act of the Constitution. Now, very very essential. We need to hold that, है ना, कि क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फिजिकली. ऑनलाइन अभी आपको गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट पे, इफ यू कैन जस्ट टाइप गूगल सर्च करो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट से तो मोस्ट अपडेटेड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मिल जाता है ना, विद द लेटेस्ट अमेंडमेंट दैट हैज बीन रिटन इनटू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो अभी आई थिंक सो इट इज May 2024, दैट इज द मोस्ट लेटेस्ट वन. बट एनीवेज you should have a physical copy with you. It helps you to study, है ना, quickly. आप फटाफट पेजेस फ्लैप करके you can go through the constitutional provisions. It is important that you refer to the bare act of the Indian Constitution. But also when you buy bare act, you have to be careful. कई सारे bare acts में commentary लिखी हुई होती है. जो बख्शी की एक bare act है, he writes a lot of things. He will make his own commentary. So make sure that it is simply the bare act without any commentary. It becomes easier for you to read. बेकार में बहुत ज़्यादा information रहने से it becomes difficult to read. We don't need that running commentary. We just need the bare act. Yes, apart from the standard books, what will be your sources? Yes, the key is to stick to minimum sources. Please do not proliferate your sources. Proliferation of sources is a short and a path to the doomsday. अरे आपको ये समझना होगा, you have to understand this, that you are here only to clear civil services examination. You are not here to become scholars of Indian Constitution or Indian polity or IR or governance or whatever the subject might be. You are here just to clear this exam. And for clearing this exam, whatever minimum is required, you do. What you should rather do, focus on revisions. Multiple revisions and answer writing practice, because without revision you will not be able to recall things as is required. क्योंकि एग्जाम में यूपीएससी में सवाल सीधे नहीं पूछते, वो कंसेप्चुअल पूछते हैं. Yes, so that would require that you use your mind while you are writing that answer. And for you to use your mind, you need to have, and you should be able to recall. ऐसा straightforward questions नहीं होते. Yes, so revision becomes very big key, because anyways, many subjects, the breadth as well as depth दोनों ज़्यादा है ना, तो you have to minimal sources, multiple revisions and ultimately answer writing practice. Because तुमने कितना भी knowledge accumulate कर रखा हो अपने दिमाग में, कितना भी अच्छा understanding develop कर रखा हो, but if you are not able to put it in the examination paper within those 3 hours, then you do not get the marks and you do not clear the exam. Fine, so that is important. You have to stick to minimal sources. I have just mentioned whatever is relevant. Yes, so for current affairs, you will be referring to any standard magazine. Yes, pick out any magazine which is good enough. अपने चॉइस से किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट, ऑल दीज इंस्टीट्यूट कम आउट विथ, है ना, मंथली करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ यूपीएससी। तो इन्हीं इंस्टीट्यूट्स में से चुनना है। यस, यू चूज एनीथिंग। वी हैव मेंशन्ड मेंस 365 एंड प्रीलिम्स 365, वेरी वेरी गुड मैगजीन्स दीज आर। इनफैक्ट प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के पहले हर कोई यही पढ़ता है ना। तो आप, बट यू मेक योर ओन चॉइस। मंथली मैगजीन्स भी पढ़ना है। एंड व्हाट इज एसेंशियल इज दैट यू रेफर टू, है ना, एक कंसोलिडेटेड मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है ना, क्योंकि अब आप 12 महीने की मैगजीन्स पढ़ने बैठोगे मेंस के पहले, व्हेन जस्ट देयर इज अ 3 months गैप, इट इज़ नॉट feasible. Fine, so consolidated material there. Then Indian Express में explained section is quite good, and the editorials are also good. Then the editorials of the Hindu, yes, summary of the ARC reports. Second, Administrative Reform Commission की जो report है उसकी summary relevant है, and PRS website can be referred for important bills. Yes, fine. So these are the sources as far as current affairs is concerned. तो जो आपका स्टैंडर्ड बुक है उसके बियॉन्ड दिस वुड बी करंट अफेयर के लिए मोर देन सफिशिएंट इफ यू हैव डन दिस, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, द एडिटोरियल ऑफ हिंदूज, आई थिंक यू आर गुड इनफ। एंड अ समरी ऑफ एआरसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट देखो, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन देन यू विल बी रेफरिंग टू द समरी ऑफ एआरसी. इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन, किसी भी, है ना, you are taking assistance of any institute for that matter, the teacher in the class will be dealing, जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है वो ARC mention कर देंगे.